In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Deliveroo vehicle type from bicycle to scooter. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to tap, and what information to provide so your request is submitted correctly. Make sure your Deliveroo app is updated and that you're signed in on a stable internet connection before we start. Begin by opening the Deliveroo app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the top area and tap Profile. This takes you to your account section where you can access rider-related options. In that menu, tap Become a Rider. Even if you're already delivering, this route is used to reach the rider help resources you need for vehicle changes. At the top left corner of the screen, tap the Deliveroo logo. This brings you into the main help hub. Once you're there, locate the search bar and tap inside it so you can type your query. In the search field, enter the words Change Vehicle, just like that, and then press Enter to run the search. From the results that appear, select the article titled How Can I Change My Vehicle Type? Inside this article, you'll find a link labeled Clicking Here. Go ahead and tap that link to open the request form specific to changing your vehicle type from bicycle to scooter. On the prompt that appears, choose Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with the change. You'll then be asked for a few details to verify your account. Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your rider profile. Next, type in the email address linked to your Deliveroo rider account. Finally, provide your rider ID. If you're unsure where to find it, it's typically visible in your rider profile within the app. Take a moment to double check all entries for accuracy, as typos can delay processing. Once your details are in, follow the on-screen process to finish. This generally involves reviewing your information and submitting the request. Keep the app open until you see confirmation that your form has been sent. After submission, watch for updates in your email and within the app. Response times can vary by location and workload. If the search doesn't return the article on your first try, confirm your internet connection and try again using the exact phrase Change Vehicle. And if a page doesn't load, tapping the Deliveroo logo to return to the hub and reopening the search usually helps. That's all you need to do. Open the app, navigate to the Rider Help Hub, search for Change Vehicle, follow the link, confirm with yes, enter your details, and complete the on-screen steps. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your scooter upgrade.